It's a great team that we have. Now we have one item left for you tonight, and there's something special about it. So I want to make sure that you get this information from me loud and clear, because it's a first for the Clearwater School of Music. We have made a recording, and that recording has gone onto a digital music platform, and I want to tell you about it, and I want to tell you how you can access it. The platform that we have downloaded our song onto is the music platform called SoundCloud. Are you all familiar with SoundCloud? If you're not, SoundCloud is a free music streaming service that you can download for free on your device, whether it's your computer at home or your mobile device. Just search for the SoundCloud app, put it on your device, and then just search for the Clearwater School of Music, and you are going to hear professional recording of the song which we are about to do for you right now. Before we do this song, I want you to know that this is an original song written, composed, and arranged by our own Mr. David Rowland. David, one more time, thank you. He also did all the recording, mixing, editing of the audio tracks that you'll find on SoundCloud too. So David's just full of skill. David, we're thankful for that. And then the lyrics from this song come from Major Gary Miller. Where's Major? He's in here. There's the lyricist. So here's a warning to all preachers from the pulpit here at Clearwater. Be careful what you say in a sermon one day, because David's going to take those thoughts and turn it into a song. So here comes the whole cast of the School of Music. We're going to perform Get With Him Now. It'll take us just a couple of minutes. And then I want you to search for that track on SoundCloud when we're done. Here comes the School of Music. Let's hear it for them.
With the Lord, cause I still remember about the days in the past when I wasn't with him. I recall feeling lonely, cast down. Now I celebrate with the King of the Most High. I'm getting with the Lord. You probably think I'm crazy. I had the blessings with attentions way before he made me. Now since you heard it from me, I'ma let Francis kill this beat.
Yeah, looking to the Lord. When you're feeling helpless, you look to the Lord, and now you struck senses. Look to the Lord, he's the name you should follow. Look to the Lord for a better tomorrow. Look to the Lord, he will save you from sorrow. Look to the Lord when you're feeling so hollow. And I know some soldiers from the Salvation Army, and if you ask them, they'll say,
If you know the Lord, stay with him. If you
that's our program. Now here's my final instructions. We're going to have a picture with all the students right now, and then the next picture is going to be all the students with the faculty surrounding them, and then I would like to invite all the family members to come up on the platform, and we'll just switch the spots. Let's put the families on the risers, and we'll put the kids down below. We'll take a big family picture of all the School of Music families. And then after that, we'll meet everybody in the gym for some refreshments.